And welcome back again with me Puni, and today I'm gonna show you a song from Coldplay with Trouble. And this tutorial I use a G major as the root of this song, so pretty easy, and let's get started. And at the very first, I want to tell you a pattern of the strumming. It's just so simple, like this. Okay, it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, the pattern is just down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, and then you repeat again. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so simple, and we jump to the song. And disclaimer first, to avoid copyright claims in this song, so I just sing at the early of the lyrics, and I hope you can understand it. Okay.